to delete blank page in Google Docs. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete blank page in Google Docs. In order to delete a blank page in Google Docs, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, you will need to open the Google Docs. Open any web browser of your choice in your device first. Here I am going to launch my Chrome browser. Now once you open the browser, in the search bar, type in docs.google.com. Once you enter this URL, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the Google Docs page. Here make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once logged in, you will be able to view your recent documents that you would like to edit. From here, find your recent documents and then simply click on it to open it. Once after clicking on it, you will be able to reach to this page. Now in order to remove or delete the blank page, first you will need to scroll to find the blank page. Once you find it, now place your cursor at the end of the page after the blank space. Press on the backspace or delete key of your keyboard repeatedly until the blank page disappears. This will help you to delete the blank page. Alternatively, you can also highlight the blank page by clicking and then dragging until the blank page ends, and then simply click on the backspace or the delete key of your keyboard. By doing so, you will be able to delete that blank page. You can also adjust it by simply placing your cursor at the end of the word and then click on backspace until you find the document is in correct format. So this is how you can delete a blank page in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.